Hi toy fans, today we actually found the Shopkins Boutique from Season 3 in the United States at the Toys R Us by the mall. And we're going to review this today and with 4 exclusive Shopkins. This is so awesome. You see here on the back, it shows us that it has a slide, an elevator, and a changing room. But the elevator works. So cool. And that actually turns out and in. So let's get this boutique opened. So we're going to get this out of the box. I'm so excited. So let's just get this out of the box. We got it out of the box, which was quite a challenge. And here's all the things it comes with. Here's the little candy jar. I don't know if you can see it, but here's the candy jar. It's yellow, and then for the cubbies that actually open that you can actually put stuff in is the drawers that you put the candy in. So here's the candy jar. And here's the 2 little jelly bags. And they're all pink. I love them. And so, you know, both of them can open. By the way. And you can snap them closed. And you can put stuff in Shopkins in these too. Here is a counter which is yellow and has a pink mirror, which you can actually see yourself on it. Like you can actually see the Shopkins in the mirror. So like this is really cool, and the mirror is removable, so you can move it. It's just a little hole peg, and you stick the peg inside of the hole, and it goes together perfectly. And here's the back. You can store Shopkins right here, and you can store the Shopkins on top. And I absolutely love this set. So I'm just gonna show you the next thing. And here is the next thing. I found a use for this. You can put Lippy up there. Like the signs on the back, like some perfume or shampoo and conditioner bottles. And like some bows and some earrings. This is so cool. And guys, if you find a use for that, please let me know. Please comment down below in the comment section what if you find a use for this when you get this set. And here's a little Shopkins storage area, and it has a sign, purple sign on it for meaning Shopkins with the S. And this is so cool. And here's the lounging couch, which your Shopkins can actually sit on, and there's 2 spaces. I love this lounge couch. And there's a working elevator. Let me show you with Lippy. Here's Lippy actually, and she is a fuchsia color lipstick. And this playset is from Season 3, but it doesn't matter if you play with Season 2 or Season 1 with this. And you can put Lippy right on the peg that it has for the holds. And you can just slide it up, and Lippy can get out. And you can slide it down so Lippy can go to the bottom floor. And I'm going to show you how the slide works with Quilty Boot. Here's Quilty Boot, and it's actually quilted on the side. Here's the slide, and it's filled with sparkles, and I'm going to show you how it works with Quilty Boot. going all the way to the top, it's better to switch hands. And because if you use the same hand, like this hand, all the way up, you might go behind there. So I'm considering using both hands for all the way up. That's what I consider. I highly recommend doing that. I highly recommend doing the bottom with this hand and then going the rest of the way up with this hand. Also, we have a changing room, which I am going to show you with Polly Perfume. Here's Polly Perfume. Which I'm just going to put Polly Perfume on the little peg. And I'm going to turn it out and in. You see the changing room. Change and come out. Change and come out. And she can come off of the changing room. And go down with the slide. And here's the elevator, which your Shopkins can actually step on the step stool and then get put on the little peg. And the elevator moves up, all the way up, and down. Whee! Elevator. Here's some little storage drawers, which actually put all the way out. And you can put your little Shopkins in there. And then just slide it right back in. And you can pull it back out to take your Shopkin out. Like so. Doing Lippy with the other drawer. And you see it just slides right in smoothly and it comes out smoothly. And then you can take your Shopkin out, like so. These are the 4 exclusive Shopkins that came in this playset. And we have Penny Purse, which is a clutch. Quilty Boot, which is quilted on the side. Polly Perfume, which is perfume. And Lippy, which is fuchsia colored lipstick. And they're all super adorable. I made Gemma Stone so she can be the lady that helps out at the boutique. Isn't she cute? She even has the little crown, the beads on top, her eyes, even the sparkly little feet. And she has these beads that we glued on with the E6000 for her arms. And her feet are purple and sparkly like the real Gemma Stone. And we made this out of clay. Her crown and her feet were made out of clay. Now, we showed you the inside, so now I'm gonna turn it around so you can see the outside of the store. This is the outside front of the store, and you can see it has a window right here and a window right here, and trees growing beside the windows. And this kind of looks like there's like a turn door that you step in and it turns you. And then when one of the doors open, you have to quickly walk out of it. Which is so cool. It says the Shopkins Fashion Boutique. Well, guys, thanks for watching our videos, and stay tuned for more fun with Shopkins Season 3 right here on New Toy Collector Family. Bye! Mwah!